Hello Techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code.it, a solution to your problems. So if you are new to this channel, then hit on this subscribe icon and join Code.it family. So today in this video, we'll talk about some of the privacy settings you should make on your laptop and mobile phones so that the vital information stays up to you. So without wasting any much time, let's get started. So while using Facebook and Instagram, some of ads are displayed on your accounts. So these ads might not be suitable or you're not interesting to watch these ads. So you can change your advertisement settings by which you can filter your advertisements. So for that, go to the link displayed on the screen. So it will redirect you to this page. Here you can change your ad preferences. So that's all for that Facebook. So now let's move to mobile phones and I'll tell you some of the main steps you should do on your mobile phones to make sure that your privacy is preserved. More on, go to settings, then apps, then in apps click on permissions, then here click on permissions, then first of all untick the camera and microphone access to the apps which are not necessary. Like some apps are using your microphone without your consent, so please untick that and check for all apps that whether they are using or not. If the apps are not required to access your microphone, then untick that. So after verifying the microphone, get back, then click on camera and untick the apps which are not required to access your camera. So also keep in mind all the messages, because sometimes to read the OTP we once give the permission to access messages, but later we forgot to cancel those permissions. So please be careful about what app permissions you give. While sharing passwords, never save your password in WhatsApp or share your passwords through WhatsApp or any other sensitive information, and never depend on any single applications for all your passwords and security. So here I have some useful websites for you where you can save your passwords, so for the next time you might not need to remember those. So these two applications, that is onepassword.com, here you can save all your passwords and you are with surety of that your all passwords and sensitive information are saved. And similarly LastPassword, here also you can save your sensitive information. And lastly, here is a website that is haveibeenpawned.com. Here enter your email address and click on pawn, then it will give you a alert that in some data breach the sensitive information is shared. So you might need not to worry more on that. Just go to your accounts and change that password, and next time make sure that you do not click on links that might direct you to a website where you can lose your personal information. And recently the WhatsApp, and these were simple some certain tips and tricks by which you can save your sensitive information or advance your privacy settings. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.